on the front of the neck. Nice simple technique. In fact, I might take this pin around. Lift your head up for me and head down. So I'm just going to move your bra strap to the side just like that. That's good. So nice technique for the front of the neck. We're also going to get the trapezius, the upper trapezius as well, but also going to get scalenes here and your sternocleidomastoid. So again, just a tiny bit of wax here, not too much. So Siva's going to turn her head slightly towards me, and now keeping the chin kind of level, she's going to turn her head slowly to the left. And as she does that, I'm just drawing my knuckles down. Good, come back to the center and slowly to the left. Good, and again, and slowly to the left. Again, not much pressure on my part. I'm kind of hooked into the tissue and just pulling it down as she turns away. Now back to the center. Now here, just below the sternocleidomastoid, I'm coming in with the middle of my fingers like so. And again, slowly turn your head to the left. And as she does that, I'm just gently drawing that down. And when this happens, this often clients will feel this up over the scalp into the forehead. Good, one more time, and again. Good, back to the center. Other side, so just hooking in slightly, and then turn your head to the right, Siva. That's it, good, and then come back, and go to the right. Good, nice and simple. One more time. So if someone's got restricted movement in the neck, this is a really, really good way for them to get more movement. Again, just below the sternocleidomastoid. So just hook in slightly, turn your head to the right. Good, back to the center. Again, turn your head to the right slowly. Good, back to the center. And turn your head to the right. Good, and back to the center. How are you feeling?
Good.
Okay, good.